From the KHOU 11 studios, it's Great Day Houston.
Well, are you tired of dry skin or super chapped lips around this time of year? Our next doctor says with the right skincare routine, you can tackle any winter skin problems. Here to explain, please welcome back dermatologist Dr. Sherry Ingraham. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
All right, so our skin reacts to what's happening, obviously, seasonally. Right. And so in that winter shift, we oftentimes have the drier air and the colder temperatures that make a difference.
The skin is an entry and an exit barrier. So it's an exit barrier to water, an entry barrier to bacteria and pathogens. So we try and block all that out with our beautiful skin barrier. But in the wintertime, when the humidity drops, the heater's on, the moisture evaporates, and then all of those important things that keep our skin moist, we tend to wash off with soap. So we need to put
can make it drier.
On. Exactly, with products. We want to avoid soap and use products that retain the barrier function.
Okay, so as a dermatologist, as you well know, not all moisturizers act the same on the skin, and our skin doesn't react the same way to certain things. So what types of things would you suggest, and what ingredients do we look for?
Okay, so for dry skin, and even for normal skin in the wintertime, you want to look for products that have cholesterol, lipids, ceramides. So my favorite prescription products, and anyone can get this from their doctor, their dermatologist, Epi-Serum. That is my go-to. Hands, lips, anything where you're losing barrier function. Look for products that do double and triple duty. So look for lipsticks. I love this Dior. It's a color, hint of color, but it keeps your skin barrier intact. It works on any lip tone.
Okay.
Aquaphor is a dermatologist favorite. It helps to heal wounds. It prevents chapped lips. You put it on overnight. Also, you want to look for lip products that have antioxidants. You want to avoid lip products that have too much menthol, too many things that can be drying, things that have vitamins and moisture.
Yeah, because you try that little minty taste or that tingle.
Not necessarily what you want. That can even burn. When you travel, right?
Yeah.
A lot of traveling, you want to find things that are kits that you can take on the plane. I love this product. I was in LA recently at a wonderful beauty apothecary called Violet Gray. Cool store. And what they carry are TSA ready travel kits. So all of these products you see are in a little baggie. They are TSA ready. You can put them in your carry-on. It has a skin barrier cream, skin cleanser, an oil cleanser, which maintains the skin barrier, hair
even
products.
Can have an impact on our skin, can it?
Very dehydrating. It's that recirculated air just sucking the moisture out of your skin.
Okay, all right. So speaking of things that are dry, chapped lips. It seems like this time of year you can have that super chapped lip, and no matter what you're putting on it, you know, how many of you are CarMax addicts, right? Yeah. So we're doing the chapstick and the whole bit, and you're putting it on there, and it's not going away.
Right.
Is that a sign of something else is going on with those chapped lips?
It can be, but you have to remember the lips don't have oil glands. The stratum corneum is very thin, and it's not made to be inherently moist. When you lick your lips, the saliva evaporates and they get drier, so you want to keep them coated. I tell patients 24 hours a day with Aquaphor or Vaseline, a non-medicated lip barrier.
So Vaseline is okay?
Vaseline is a favorite.
Okay,
Vaseline is a favorite. Creates a barrier. Avoid licking. Licking makes it worse. Lipstick can sometimes be drying and make it worse, so at nighttime, slather on the Aquaphor, the Vaseline, or a lip product that has a barrier function.
Yeah, I even use Vaseline on my leather boots when I'm in snow.
Vaseline cures all. Also, sleep with the humidifier on. I tell patients it's that mouth breathing when the heater's on. Sleep with the humidifier on.
All right. Even things like your pillow can make a difference?
It can. This is such a fun product and a great little holiday gift. So they have found a way, a company called Cupron, to infuse copper into fabric. So you can get a copper pillowcase or a copper sleep mask. And the neat thing about this is not only does it help promote new collagen, because copper, I like it.
Should I start working out in the dark now?
There you go. Double the calories lost. Copper not only is anti-inflammatory, so if you're acne or rosacea prone, sleeping on this pillow could theoretically help your skin not be as inflamed.
Okay.
But copper is an important precursor to collagen. Copper helps build collagen. So I've gotten one of these. I really recommend them to patients. I do think they work. It's not anything dramatic, but over time, it can influence the way the skin develops.
Okay. All right. Especially if you have really sensitive skin.
Yes.
But a lot of people have rosacea and things like that,
Absolutely.
All right. What do you have here?
So these are some of my favorite products to give you that glow, especially when your skin is dry over the holidays. These are Peter Thomas Roth gold-infused particles. They actually have little specks of gold.
You had me at gold.
You had me at gold. This is a face mask that actually has a gold hue to it.
Oh, yeah.
And there are actually gold particles in these products. You put this on, leave it on 10 minutes, rinse it off. I do that at night. In the morning, one of my little secrets is to use these cloths. They come in a pack, and what you do is it's a little face mask with eye and mouth cutouts. It's infused with neuropeptides. Neuropeptides are these wonderful newer molecules that have anti-wrinkle capabilities, and they actually inhibit new wrinkle formation, but they can actually infuse the skin with hydration as well with hyaluronic acid. So I say put this on in the morning when you're doing your hair, getting ready, leave it on 10 minutes, take it off, and there's a gold hue to it, and it gives your skin a glow.
Yeah, yeah. You know, we're in kind of a renaissance when it comes to skincare right now. I mean, you know, years past, we had things that we would put on that would make your skin feel like it was soft, and it's really just greasy, right?
Absolutely.
Right?
And
or
then
it would sit on top of the skin, but it wasn't really penetrating, making a difference. We're seeing a lot more changes in products today, aren't we?
Technology has really come a long way.
Yeah.
Come a long way. These are great for people in your industry who have to get up early, people who wake up with puffy eyes, which is a really common complaint.
We're talking about technology, but this is going back to something
this is
that
old
Grandma
school.
did.
This is, instead of getting the cucumbers themselves, they're cucumber-infused little packets that you keep in the freezer. You put them in a little baggie, and when you wake up in the morning, you can lay in bed a few minutes and let them sit on your eyes. You can refreeze them if you want to or let them melt, but they are a great gift, but also just something to keep in your freezer on the weekends when you need a little help.
Very cool there.
These are some of my favorite newer products that are technologically advanced, if you will. This is resveratrol. So resveratrol is, we love resveratrol, right? It's a longevity molecule in Pinot Noir. Well, what SkinCeuticals did is they got pure resveratrol extract from knotweed, put it in a very potent serum, and serums are great in the wintertime. You go to bed with a serum on, it gives your skin a moist glow. If you're gonna travel, put a serum on before you get on the plane. But this has been shown in studies to be very, very significant stimulation of new collagen, but also inhibits some of the signs of aging we see from oxidative stress, environmental stress.
Okay, and then I'm gonna get down here and say, ultimately, one of the best moisturizers is when you moisturize from within, right?
Drink your water. And patients often come in and they say, my skin is dry, I need to drink more water. And I always say the skin is the outer leaves on the tree, right? So they don't get all the moisture. So you want to drink your water internally, take your antioxidants in your diet, but apply your antioxidants on your skin and your moisture on your skin as well. Get it from every angle.
Here's my favorite part though. They go, gosh, my skin's dry. I need to drink more water. Then why aren't you?
That's a good point. That's a
then
good
drink
point.
more water. All right, thank you very much. And for more skincare tips, we have a link to connect with Dr. Ingraham on our website, greatdayhouston.com.